guys, so today I am going to be walking you guys through my apartment that we just moved into 4 days ago. So my boyfriend and I moved in for the first time together and we got this place. It's a 2-bedroom and it's 750 square feet, so it's really big. Once again, we only moved in 4 days ago, so there's a lot of like garbage still everywhere, and like things obviously aren't going to be put up or in their final destinations. So this is just what it's looking like right now, and I'll make sure to come back in a couple months and give you guys an update. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I'm just starting off here. This is the entrance. We have this little hallway, and we just have this shoe rack from IKEA right here. And then as you come in, this is the view that you get. So this is our living room. It's huge. We just have this thing. It's from HomeSense that we're gonna hang up somewhere. I don't know what. And then Ben's mom gave us this. It's a repurposed barn door. And then we just have like a key, tray, a plant, and just a picture. And then this coat rack was left here by the previous tenant, so we just have some stuff on there. We have this painting that we're going to be hanging up in the kitchen area. This is our front hallway door. Closet, that's what I meant. Huge, and we just have our shoes down here. There's so much space for like coats and stuff, and then we just have like suitcases and bags and stuff at the top. Right here, we found this on the side of the road, so we're gonna fix it up, change out the knobs, and we don't know where we're gonna put it. Coax cable that we ripped out. Over here we have my IKEA shelf that I brought. And then we got these 2 lamps from Home Goods, and then my speakers are Edifier, and then my record is an Audio Technica, or my record player is an Audio Technica. And then we just have some of my records, and then our board games, and then our Wii games are down in here. So then looking over here, that's just a chair that has blankets on it that need to be washed. And then here is our couch from IKEA, and it's a pull-out couch. So pretty much like this thing pops out and it turns into a double-sized bed, and then this thing also pushes up, and then there's storage underneath, but we don't have things to store yet. And then we have this coffee table. It's also from IKEA, and I just have my water there. And then we got these bouquet. I put it together. We bought all these flowers individually and put it together. And this is just a vase that Ben's mom gave us, as well as this tray that I just have a bunch of our electronic stuff on right now. Down there is just all of our modem and Wi-Fi shit. And then this is our TV for right now. We're gonna be getting a new one. And then we have like my Wii, and then a Swiffer, and then this chest is from my grandma. And then over here is like the disaster zone. We are in the process of cleaning this up, but we have a card table here for the time being. We're gonna be getting a regular dining table soon, as well as we have 2 more of these chairs that are coming from Ben's mom. We have an air conditioner, and then we just have a bunch of like knickknacks. These are flowers that have to get planted. Plant over there. This is gonna get hung up over the record player. We're gonna be getting a pantry that's gonna go right here, and we're gonna be taking down that. Like, we just put it up to just put it up. And then this is the kitchen. I really like how it's separate and just like nooked off. So it has this really nice archway. And then the fridge is pretty big for just the 2 of us. It's pretty empty because we just went shopping, but it'll get filled up. And then we just have our stove, the little teapot and stuff to put your cooking utensils in. And then we just have pans in there, some food, cutting board, knife block. And then I really like this section right here. So I have my coffee maker, I have a container filled with coffee, and then sugar, and then this is a reusable pot, and then I have a Ninja, and then I have just a tea towel hanging right here, more food, and then some pots. And then over here is where we have the dishes. So these are from Ben's grandma, these are from IKEA, these are from my mom. And then back here we have our outdoor stuff. And we have containers and little bowls and more plates and more things. There's so much stuff. And then over here we have cake mix. We have a bunch of like tea and drinking like stuff like hot chocolate. And down here we have like all of our spices and then some cheese grater, stuff like that. This is the sink. I really like it came with this hook already installed, so we just have a towel and a washcloth hanging up there. And then we just have this candy. And then up here, is there even any? We can't open this one because the knob falls off. And then, yeah, that's what's up there. Super fun. Down here is just like extra soap, garbage can. And then down here is just random shit once again. And then over here, we have just some dishware, and then mugs, water bottles, travel mugs, and then just some more drinking stuff up there. We have a drying rack. I painted this, and they're measuring cups, so they're very cool. This is a party serving, so it's like supposed to be dipping like whatever, but we don't have a fruit bowl right now, so we're just using this right now. We have tomatoes. This is an oil and vinegar thing that Ben's mom gave us. I don't exactly know how it works, but whatever. And then over here we have a panini press, and then we have our compost bin, and then down here is like literally nothing. It's just 2 aprons and a barbecue brush. And then we just have like cooking utensils, and then just like eating utensils in here as well as the oven mitts. And that's all that's in there. Okay, and then if you come over here, this is kind of the bedroom area. And then, so if you go over here, this is where our bathroom is, and it's nice and pink. I love the floors. And then nice pink sink. And then a mirror that opens up. And then we have to fix these because the nails in them like don't support anything. Toilet, all that fun stuff. This is so attractive. But this doesn't have any storage in it, so we have to get some under the sink storage or something like that. And then we got our shower curtain and the shower hanger thing, like these shower hooks. I don't know. We got them from, oh my god, where did we get it from? I forget, but they're closing down, so it doesn't even matter. And then this is just what shower looks like. It's pink, cool. And this came with the place, so we have that here. And this is up high because this actually doesn't stick on these tiles. It only sticks on these ones. So yeah, that's what we got there. And then we just have this matching towel set. This came with the place, and then there was a hook that was, or a rod that was here, but I didn't like it at all. So we took it down. We put up these black command hooks that match like all the like black detailing. And then if you go over here, we have what we're calling the den. So it's the second bedroom. And it's a little bit messy still. All right, so this is the desk, my old desk, that I'm using as a makeshift vanity. And we're gonna get marble contact paper to put on top of it to hide all these scratches, because I've had this desk since I was a baby. And then so I just have, these are gonna be going over onto Ben's desk, but for right now they're just here. Then all my makeup. And then I used to have my records in this box, but right now I just have picture frames in my uke. And then we got this chair at a secondhand store. And right now it is covered with all of our hats. So we have a lot of hats, and there's just a pillow in there for Ben's mom. And then this is what the window looks like, nice and big. And then we just have an aloe plant and some pictures. Over here is a mess, but we have my bookshelf, and then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with the basket and everything, but that's what it's looking like. And then over here is Ben's desk. And then he had all of his recording stuff set up. He got the little light box that has our Wi-Fi, which is called Co-Wi-Fi. And then the password is where's my alpaca, don't ask why. And then we have this nice big mirror. We're not sure if it's gonna stay here or not, but Ben's mom gave this to us, and it's huge and it's awesome and I love it. And then just in this closet, we just have some like more random stuff up here. Another coax cable, like a shelf that needs to get hung up, Swiffer, all that type of stuff. All right, and then over here we have a mirror that came with the place, so nice and small, I like it. And then this is our linen closet. So we have all of our cleaning supplies on the bottom. This has like scented stuff and like instructions. And then we have like all of our toolkits in here. And then just toiletry bags. We have blankets and then towels. Like this is so deep, like ugh, it goes so far back. And then there's a shower curtain, a basket. That's the rod that was hanging on the back of the door. Then we have some more light bulbs. Then this is our bedroom. So again, we have a little bit of a mess still. But this is our bed. We got the bed frame from Amazon. It's really easy to set up. I really like it. We're getting a bed skirt. It's coming right now in the mail. And then the bedding. Again, we got the sheets from that store that's closing that I can't remember. I think it's Home Goods. I think so. And then the duvet cover is from IKEA. And then those are two of our lamps that we're gonna put when we get nightstands, and they're this cool kind of marbly looking, very cool. And then this is another side of the road find, and so one of the shelves fell out, so we're like, hey, let's just keep it out, and we put this nice tall vase that Ben's mom gave us in, and I think it looks like really cool. And then so we just got this yesterday, so it doesn't have anything in it. Then this is our closet. So we just have an over the door hanger that we got from the dollar store, and then we got this dresser. It's an IKEA dresser, but we got it at a secondhand store for like $15. So we just have like socks and underwear and stuff like that in there. And then all of Ben's stuff is over here, and then all of my stuff is up here. And then we're gonna be getting baskets to put some of the more stuff up there in. And then this is just a shelf that we have to find a place for. I'm not exactly sure what we're gonna do with it. And then another ledge that puts this cool light, and then just stuff like that. And then that is everything. I almost forgot to show you our balcony. So this is the balcony. It's a decent size. I have the barbecue. And then I got these planters from IKEA. And then the previous tenants left this for us. So we just have to get some patio cushions. Then this table is from Home Goods, and then this train candle is from Winners. And then you can see the spider plant through the window. So this is just the beginning. We moved in 4 days ago. We moved in 4 days ago. And so this is just what it's looking like right now. And I look like a mess, but that's what moving looks like. And I will give you guys an update when it's a lot more presentable. So yeah.